Charts Viewer generates customizable charts for advanced data analysis. We will use the Sinolta trial demo project to go over some of the features available in the Charts Viewer. From the System Manager, double-click the Charts Viewer icon to open it. Click OK to accept the default username and password. Select the Sinolta trial demo project and click OK. The Explorer pane provides a navigation tree view to manage different charts. The Properties pane provides properties for pens, charts, and date filters. Both the Explorer and Properties pane can be toggled on and off from the Windows pull-down menu. When selecting a chart from the Explorer, we are presented with two options to view the chart: historical and real-time. Let's open one chart in real-time and one in historical. Real-time charts are identified with the real-time indicator below the chart. Real-time charts receive real-time samples from the in-memory circular buffer. The Charts toolbar provides a set of zooming and navigation capabilities. You can zoom in and out or control the orientation of 3D charts from this toolbar. From the right-click menu, a number of features are available, such as toggling the chart legend and toolbar. To view the data in a grid, select Show All Data in Table. To change the properties, such as color or line type, select Pen Properties. Additional properties are available from the Edit button for each pen. To see the chart's properties, select Chart Properties. To change the date filter period, select Date Filter. You can also save or copy an image of this chart or save it to a PDF. To save the data for the current chart to a CSV file, select Save as CSV. Creating a chart. Let's create a new chart and look at some of the features available. Right-click on the root branch and create a new group called Test Charts. From the right-click menu, select Create Chart and give it a name. The Pen Selection dialog allows you to search and select pens from 4 different grouping systems. Select By Device, and then select one of the devices in the table below. The bottom window shows a list of all the items that are logging data for the selected device. Note that you could have a large number of points configured for a device, but they must be configured to log their data before you can see them in this window. Use the blue arrows to select which items to view. The Log Type window shows the type of data logging that each pen has. For example, this pen is configured to log its value in 3 different databases: Log Value Change, Real-Time, and Trend. Now click Apply and select Open Historical Chart. Click OK to accept the default date filter. Customizing charts. From the right-click menu, select Pen Properties to see all configured pens and their basic properties in one view. This is the same window that you can access from the Properties pane. Selecting the Y-axis option for a pen shows Y-axis scale to the left of the chart. Each pen can have its own axis in a matching color with an adjustable range. By default, the scale for all selected pens is set to Auto Range. The Notes, Alarms, and Values checkboxes control the visibility of these parameters. Click Edit to see more pen properties such as Trend Type, Alarm Flags, and Point Values. Let's add 2 more charts from the locked views and reorganize the workspace. Sharing. There are a number of ways we can share our customized charts with our colleagues. We can export any selection of the charts and send them to our colleagues to import and view. From the File menu, select Export to create an export file. All users with Sinolta Client are able to import and view all charts stored in this file. We can also create an Express chart file. From the File menu, click on Export as an Express chart to create a file that any user with Sinolta installed on their computer can double-click and view. You can also export the chart to a PDF or copy it to your clipboard using the right-click menu. Event Log Viewer Wizard. Event Log Viewer Wizard allows us to view historical data without using charts. Select Event Log Viewer Wizard from the File menu options. Click Next to select Alarm Log Data. Select the last 24 hours from the Day option to see all alarms generated during the last 24 hours. The result of the query is shown in a grid. The Column Chooser pane shows that 29 different fields are stored for every alarm record. Users can select and save portions of the table onto a CSV or Excel file. The Quality Flag pane shows the quality flags that are set for each selected record. Data Extraction Wizard. The Data Extraction Wizard retrieves and saves historical data to a file. You can access the wizard from the File pull-down menu. Select Trending and click Next. Now, select the points that you would like to extract historical data for and click Next. Select the time period that you are interested in and click Save. Next, select a folder and enter a file name to store the records. Please note that you can save the historical data into a CSV, Excel, or Access file formats. The Export pop-up provides a couple of options to compress data for large files, and also whether the data should be stored in a periodic or sequential form. Using the default settings, we will be able to see the data uncompressed in a sequential form, which shows every record and all relevant information. As you can see, Sinolta Historian stores quite a bit of information for each record in its highly compressed historian data files. In comparison, we could have selected the Compress and Periodic options to generate the result in a compressed file. In the periodic files, column A provides logged timestamp, and other columns show data samples for each point. As you can see, the periodic file contains only the time and value of each record, whereas the non-periodic file contains a lot more data for each record.